This goes out to everyone who does not have a Valentine this Valentine's Day. You don't have one because you're probably ugly, stupid, unattractive, ugly personality. You're just way too clingy. No one just fucking likes you, so just stop. Hey, Asian people with Asian single mothers who don't speak any English. I want Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese, whatever. If you have a mother who's single and only speaks something like that, let me know because I want to wife up someone who does not speak English.